This is a Mother's Day Tablescape Challenge collaboration hosted by Monica Monet Collections and Pam at Diamond 76 Home Decor on a Budget. Happy Mother's Day, and please check out their channels.
Good morning. Today I am going to use these materials that I got from the Dollar Tree, these tissues. I got some silver floral and some light blue tissue, and then I've got this blue wrapping paper with these roses. I am using these clear plates, and I am going to decoupage these and make these for my Mother's Day floral my Mother's Day tablescape. Hope this works out. I've never done this before, so it's an experiment. So bear with me. Ta-da! So I decoupaged the clear plates with the wrapping paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. I used the Mod Podge glitter to adhere that paper to the back of the plate, and today I'm going to seal it with just the regular Mod Podge. I think it turned out beautiful. That glitter gave it that extra sheen on there. Is that not gorgeous? I just love the way that turned out. And for the dessert plates, I used used this light blue paper, and I also cut out one of the single roses and adhered that to the plate too. And then for the final touch, I glued Mod Podge, decoupage this paper here on the back. Also, all these were from the Dollar Tree. This is a totally Dollar Tree project here, except for the decoupage. I got that from Michael's. But I'm going to put the second coat on the back to seal that. But this side is safe to use. You'll have to hand wash them, I'm sure. But these are going to be my Mother's Day centerpiece. It's Tablescape. I plan on doing it in shades of blue. It's her favorite color. So I think this is going to be really nice. I'm going to add some silver as the accent. I also have this glass cylinder vase that I decoupaged with the silver foil paper. I plan on blinging that out for the centerpiece. I think this is great, and let me know what you think. The next step that I plan on doing is I'm going to paint these wooden letters that I got from Michael's, the spell out Mom. I'm going to paint them the acrylic white paint, and I'm going to bling them up, and then I'm going to attach them to my centerpiece for my mom's Mother's Day tablescape. Okay, so happy Mother's Day. This is my Mother's Day tablescape that I've been working on. I have the plates that I decoupaged with the paper, and I put them together with a silver charger, and they complement my theme. I'm doing a brunch for my mom. It's just going to be, with the COVID virus, we're trying to keep it very small. And I enjoyed doing this. I think it turned out great. Very small area, but I still like the way it turned out. I hope y'all do too. The 4 chair covers and everything, and my vase that I made for Mom with the blinged out Mom on it. I just think she'll like that a lot.